Today we will talk about blockchain technology. What is blockchain? Cryptocurrencies and blockchain? Blockchain technology has gained significant attention and popularity in recent years. It is a decentralized, distributed ledger system that enables secure and transparent transactions and data sharing across a network of computers. Here are some key points to cover when discussing blockchain technology in a video. What is blockchain? Provide an overview of blockchain technology, explaining its fundamental concepts and how it works. Highlight its decentralized nature, cryptographic security, and immutability. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Discuss how blockchain technology is the underlying foundation for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Explain how blockchain enables secure and transparent peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries, such as banks. Smart contracts. Introduce the concept of smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements built on blockchain. Explain how smart contracts automate and enforce the terms of an agreement, eliminating the need for intermediaries and increasing efficiency. Use cases. Explore various industries and sectors where blockchain technology is being implemented. Discuss real-world applications such as supply chain management, healthcare, finance, voting systems, digital identity, and intellectual property rights. Highlight the benefits of blockchain in terms of transparency, security, and reducing fraud. Challenges and limitations. Discuss the challenges and limitations associated with blockchain technology. Cover topics such as scalability, energy consumption, regulatory concerns, and privacy implications. Explain how the industry is addressing these challenges and evolving to overcome them. Future potential. Discuss the potential future developments and trends in blockchain technology. Cover topics like interoperability between different blockchain networks, the emergence of decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and the integration of blockchain with emerging technologies such as AI and IoT. Adoption and impact. Provide examples of organizations and governments that have adopted blockchain technology and the impact it has had on their operations. Discuss how blockchain is disrupting traditional business models and creating new opportunities for innovation and collaboration. Considerations for individuals. Provide guidance for individuals interested in engaging with blockchain technology. Discuss topics such as wallet security, understanding the risks associated with cryptocurrencies, and conducting due diligence when participating in initial coin offerings, ICOs, or decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms. Remember to present the information in a clear and concise manner, utilizing visuals and examples to enhance understanding. Additionally, encourage viewers to conduct further research and explore blockchain technology's potential on their own.